How many are there? I think there are infinite manifestations of beings, you know. But I do think that the way that I look at it more is frequency. I think that there are ranges of frequency of expressions of consciousness that we um, have access to more than other, depending on where you're at in your range of seeing. Just like we humans can only see a certain range of color, but there are, you know, infinite spectrum of color. You know, we align with different frequencies based on our frequency. I think that there are 13 main, the way that life force fragments in this dimensional, three-dimensional plane is 13 dimensional levels of consciousness that go from the lowest to the highest. And I think that within those 13 ranges are different manifestations of different species. It doesn't mean that, because remember that we are a cocktail of DNA, because within our body, within our genetics is many different species that we have combined. And when I say species, really what I would like to call them is basically data of information, you know, because when this data is combined, it creates who we are. This one fragment of your many fragments that you have. So we are experiencing life, and how, when we have contact experience, whatever contact we remember is an expression of the data that we have within our genetics.